In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide self-view in a Zoom meeting. Have you ever found yourself feeling a bit self-conscious or distracted by your own video thumbnail during a Zoom meeting? Whether it's a small team huddle or a large webinar, constantly seeing your own video can sometimes be unnecessary and, let's be honest, a little distracting. Luckily, Zoom has a feature that allows you not to see yourself, the Hide Self-View option. So, let's walk through how to activate this feature. It's a simple process and can really help you focus more on the meeting itself. First, let's start by getting into a Zoom meeting, whether it's your own or one you've joined. Look for where your video feed is displayed in the grid of participants. You'll notice all the participants on your screen and, among them, your own video thumbnail. Now, focus on the top section of your screen, just above where all the small video boxes appear in a grid layout. You'll see an icon that looks like a collection of squares. This is commonly referred to as the grid view icon. Once you click on this grid view icon, your screen will rearrange all the participant video feeds into a neat grid layout, if it hasn't done so already. This makes it convenient to manage what and who you see, providing a clear view of all active participants. Now, with your cursor still on your video thumbnail, look for the three-dot menu icon located in the upper right-hand corner of your personal video thumbnail. These three dots are the universal symbol for additional options in Zoom. Hidden in here is the Hide Self-View option. Clicking it will instantly hide your video from your own screen. Don't worry though, this only affects what you see. Others in the meeting can still see your video feed as they normally would. You can continue interacting in the meeting without the distraction of also trying to monitor how you appear at each moment. Think of it as giving yourself a little mental break. For those of you wondering, what if I want to bring my self-view back? Don't worry, bringing back your self-view is just as easy. All you need to do is click on the View option in the upper right corner of your Zoom window, and you should see an option to Show Self-View. Enable this and you'll pop back into your own view of the meeting, ready to see yourself again if needed. And there you have it. This quick tweak can help you stay focused and more relaxed throughout your Zoom meetings. So, the next time you're in a meeting and find yourself wanting to go camera incognito on your own screen, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this tip helps you in your future virtual interactions. See you in the next video.